Alright, good morning. I am coming to you live from my first period class. What I'm going to show you is I noticed a lot of you are making mistakes just by walking around the room, not calling out my first period, but this is pretty much a lot of you, on how to save properly. I noticed that we have a few of you saving multiple files, and then some of us aren't saving at all. So I'm going to show you how to save from a Word document, then I'm going to show you how to save from PowerPoint. Alright, so let's begin. So let me open up my Word document. This is not what your project is supposed to look like. This is my sub-plan, but it's important that I save this too. So let me make this smaller so you can see it. So let's just pretend that this is filling up my whole page. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click File. Then I'm going to click Save As. Then it's going to be Text Subplan. Now I'm going to choose the file that is on my desktop, and I want to make sure that it's in the correct file. So I'm going to look at my files, I'm going to click Desktop, and I'm going to click Home Cell Project, because this is exactly what I want your file to look like. I posted a video earlier on how to create your own file, so this is what it's going to look like. So then I'm going to click Open, and I'm going to click Save. So that's the very first thing you do when you save. Now let me try to save again. Say I added some work on it. So say I wanted to save again. If I click Save As, I'm going to click here, and then a button is going to pop up, or the button didn't pop up, but that's one way to save. You can also press this button right here and click Save. But since when I press Save As, alright, so it did it. So the one thing you don't want to do is you don't want to press Save As more than once. So you only press Save As the first time. I'm even going to type that right here. Okay, seriously, only click Save As the first time. Now, I saved it to my file. I'm going to also double check, make sure it's in there. There you go. That's how you save for Microsoft Word. Now let me open up a PowerPoint that I have. So this is just an example PowerPoint from my writing CA. What I'm going to do, make it smaller so you can see it. I'm going to click File, Save As. Let me go to Desktop. I can either save it in Documents or Desktop. My file's in Desktop. Then I'm going to click Home Cell Project, double click it, save. Now if I want to save throughout, just keep pressing Save. Alright, so that's how you save one file.